To check which market data subscription you need, start by clicking the market status displayed at the top of your chart. When you open it, TradingView automatically shows you the exact subscription required for that instrument. Another quick method is to type the asset's ticker into the symbol search bar. Next to the ticker, you'll see the exchange that lists it, which tells you precisely which real-time data package you'll need if you want to manage or purchase real-time data directly from your account. Simply click on your profile avatar, go into Settings and Billing, and then open the Subscriptions tab inside the Billing section. From there, click Explore Now under the Real-Time Market Data section. This is where you can review your active subscriptions or browse through the available exchange packages. You can also access the same options through TradingView's Market Data page if you're navigating from their help, Articles. And if you're already on the and you notice a Data is Delayed message at the top, just click the Learn More button. TradingView will take you straight to the correct subscription so you can upgrade to real-time data